Hi, this is Dr. Sammons with Sozo Life and Wellness in Elizabethton, Tennessee. And today I'm here with my friend Shauna Lee. Shauna Lee came in a couple of months ago and was having some kidney stone issues and had asked me to recommend some products for her. So we recommended a product called Chanca Piedra, which is a stone breaker. And I'm going to let her tell you the changes that she's seen. And we also had her go on some vitamin K2. So you were on that for a couple of weeks, and then tell me what changes you saw.
Well, my urine was really dark, and it started to clear up, and I was going from very small amounts to quite a bit more, so I knew those stones were breaking down, and now my urine is quite clear, and it's at its normal levels again, which I really appreciated.
Oh, great. Okay. Now, she came back today for a full consult and an assessment, and she was diagnosed with lupus, RA, osteoporosis, and also some cirrhosis of the liver. And Shauna Lee is not a drinker, so we knew she was dealing with some liver toxicity, and we were looking to see what was creating that. So she's dealing with quite a bit of pain issues, and while she was here, we treated her on the PEMF machine, and she came in with a pain level of 8. She was having quite a bit of pain in the right side of her body, and we did a treatment on her for probably 20 minutes. So I'm going to let you hear from Shauna Lee, her experience with the PEMF machine, as she's doing an ionic foot detox, by the way. So go ahead and tell us about your experience.
It was awesome. I had, once I got in the chair, at first it was very painful. My hands had a hard time closing around the tube, but when I was done, I had gone from an 8 down to a 4 or less in pain level, and I'm able to open and close my hand, which I couldn't do, and my shoulders and my elbow even is feeling better, and I felt so relaxed. All I wanted to do was just go to sleep.
So that's a pretty amazing testimony with just one treatment of PEMF. And when that is done a couple of times a week, we start seeing resolution in pain. So we are going to get to the root cause, which we've already done the assessment on Shauna Lee. We know what's going on in her body. We know what's triggering these responses. And now we're going to start clearing toxins and pathogens and get her on her way to healing. And I just want to thank you so much for sharing your testimony with us today. Is there anything else you'd like to share or say?
Only that anybody should come here. Everybody should come here, because you're not going to get this kind of treatment through a medical doctor. You're going to have to come and see what the root causes are and start getting rid of this stuff.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.